When we think of superpowers, we imagine comic books and movies. But nature invented superpowers long before humans told stories. All around us are animals with abilities that break the rules of biology, abilities so extreme they feel unreal. Here are 8 real animals with mind-blowing superpowers and the science behind them. 1. Tardigrade, immortality. Tardigrades, also called water bears, are microscopic animals that can survive almost anything. They can endure extreme heat, freezing temperatures, radiation, crushing pressure, and even the vacuum of space. When conditions become deadly, they shut down their bodies and enter a suspended state, sometimes for decades. 2. Mantis shrimp, supervision. Mantis shrimp can see colors humans can't even imagine. They have up to 16 photoreceptor types, allowing them to detect ultraviolet and polarized light. This helps them communicate secretly and spot prey invisible to others. 3. Axolotl, regeneration. Axolotls can regrow entire limbs, bones, muscles, nerves, and even parts of their brain. Unlike humans, they regenerate perfectly without scars. Scientists study them to unlock future medical breakthroughs.
4. Electric eel, living battery. Electric eels can generate electric shocks strong enough to stun prey or predators. They use electricity to hunt, defend themselves, and even navigate murky water. 5. Octopus, shape-shifting. Octopuses can change color, texture, and shape instantly. They use special skin cells to camouflage perfectly, mimicking rocks, coral, or even other animals. 6. Pit viper, heat vision. Pit vipers can see heat. They detect infrared radiation, allowing them to sense warm-blooded prey in total darkness with terrifying accuracy. 7. Star-nosed mole, super-speed touch. This mole has the fastest touch organ in the animal kingdom. Its star-shaped nose contains over 25,000 sensory receptors, allowing it to identify food in milliseconds. 8. Immortal jellyfish, reverse aging. The immortal jellyfish can revert its body back to a juvenile state after maturity. In theory, it can repeat this cycle forever, making it biologically immortal.
Nature didn't need imagination to create superpowers, only evolution. These animals prove that reality is often more unbelievable than fiction. If you enjoy discovering the hidden wonders of our world, subscribe to the channel. Because the real world is full of superpowers if you know where to look.